न्यूज़पेपर को आप यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में कैसे इफेक्टिवली विद इन 3 मिनट्स यूज कर सकते हो देखते हैं. Mumtaz Day in Supreme Court, Bengal bulldozed SIR for deletion. You can use this example in GS2 if the question comes on cooperative federalism. You can use this as a challenges, or if the question directly comes on SIR in GS2, you can use this example. Moving forward, NDMA's first ever guidelines for identification of disaster victims. You can use this example in GS3 if the question comes on disaster management by quoting NDMA's as a way forward that it has released first ever standard operating procedure all over the country for mass fatality incidents which focus on forensic archaeology and disaster victim identification. Moving forward. Allow leader of opposition to speak. This article is very important for prelims point of view as leader of opposition has seated, and you can also use this example in mains if the question comes on GS2. From prelims point of view, you should know that leader of opposition is not a constitutional post, it is a statutory recognition which has received in 1977. And from GS point of view, you should know these challenges and advantages of being a leader of opposition. Moving forward. Peasants to universities, nothing escaped Andhra Pradesh lens. You can use this example in GS1 if the question comes on society, as Andhra Pradesh is a famous renowned sociology among India, and also you should know that he has been received Padma Vibhushan and also elected as a fellow of British Academy. Moving forward, UGC regulations on caste and unruly fame. This article can be used in GS1 even in GS2 if the question comes on education on any caste or affirmative relations topics. You can use this example that the recent UGC guidelines Supreme Court has staying their implementation, citing cornerstone that it will divide the society. So you should know the provisions like it has appointed as equity committee to lodge complaints against SC, ST and OBC by general caste. Moving forward. Budget will deepen inequality, not mitigate it. This article is important for GS2 and in GS3 should know the basic highlight provisions of the budget and the important devolution of the 16th Finance Commission which changes the formula of horizontal devolution for better of states such as Kerala, Karnataka and reduced expenditure of Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, UP, etc. Moving forward. With 7 new growth corridors, India will be 100% Atmanirbhar in making bullet trains. This article is very important from GS1, GS2, GS3. If the question comes on Atmanirbharta infrastructure project, you can mention this that the recently now 7 new corridor will act as a growth connectors of the Indian economy. Moving forward. Why carbon capture is key to achieving net zero goal. This article is important for GS2, even any topic of pollution, and you can also use this example for why carbon capture is a key to achieve net zero goal. This article is very important for any paper if the question comes on pollution related issues and very important for prelims also. You should know that the recent budget has focused 20,000 crore for development of carbon capture utilization storage. Extraordinary mechanisms like it will help in lowering the carbon footprint of economy and also it will make the product competitive against the tariffs like CBAM and it will also help in large scale decarbonization. That's your UPSC reading list for today. Stay consistent, stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the very best.